Welcome to another episode of Big Lee's Corner. Alright, day 2. And I'm unboxing this other box from ShopGoodwill.com. Alright, first time I ever got the Stone Cold Funny Car driven by Jerry Tolliver. Jerry Tolliver. Oh, here's how I open it. Never got one this type of pack before. But anyway, here's kind of what the car looks like, but I'll feature it on its own video. Anyway, that's all for this episode of Big Lee's Corner. Please come back for our Tuesday night taste test tomorrow night, 5:30 p.m. Central Time. And then check back on Wednesday for a returning character of mine, an alter ego that hasn't done a video for 2.5 years. I'll try to have a nice day. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more.